Service has issued an air quality alert for Moab. Just a second. While that is happening, residents within a 150... Hold on. Is that?
Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Defense. This is not a test. Today, at 2:23 p.m. Mountain Time, a state of emergency was declared by the President of the United States. An unknown hostile force was declared present at the Moab Research Labs and several other locations in the surrounding areas of Moab, Utah. As of 4:23 p.m. Mountain Time, the President has issued executive order to withdraw all ground forces and begin immediate airstrikes over the Moab Research Labs and surrounding areas, beginning no later than 6:54 p.m. this evening. For your own safety, an immediate evacuation order has been issued to the entire state of Utah. To all residents of Utah and surrounding areas, leave all your personal belongings. Take a battery-powered radio, and only essential supplies with you. Do not remain in your homes. Seek shelter at your nearest militarized zone outside the state of Utah, and await further instructions. If you cannot find your nearest evacuation route, seek assistance from local authorities immediately. If you have military training, firearms training, or any similar weapons training, contact your nearest military officer immediately. Stay tuned to frequency 740 AM for further updates on this emergency.